Hey YouTubers, it's Hawaii Girl of Hawaii Girl Adventures. We spent my birthday in the beautiful Lake Tahoe area. This was our first time visiting Lake Tahoe, and we're excited to bring you along on our stops and hikes along the lake. Lake Tahoe is the largest alpine lake in North America and sits at an elevation of 6,225 feet above sea level. It's located in both California and Nevada. It's nestled between the Sierra Nevada mountains and the Carson Range. Its crystal clear waters are fed by natural springs and snowmelt. We visited several lookout points and hiked some trails which ended with amazing views. All of these hikes and lookouts can be accessed from the scenic drive around Lake Tahoe. We started on the southwest side of Lake Tahoe and worked our way clockwise to the east shoreline. We got an early morning start with our first stop at the Inspiration Point at Emerald Bay, then on to Eagle Falls, then Stateline Fire Lookout, and finally Logan Shoals. Follow along as we spend our day in the beautiful Lake Tahoe. And here we are over at the Eagle Falls. can't forget about the food here at Lake Tahoe. Here are a couple places that we dined at. Hope you enjoyed our video of our visit to Lake Tahoe. Mahalo for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel.